Hello, how are you? Welcome to another refrigeration and HVAC mechanic Red Seal license exam reviewer. Today's topic is about compressor discharge and suction pressures, including compression ratio. Problem here. The compression ratio of a refrigeration system is 7:1. If the discharge pressure is 300 psig, what is the suction pressure? So we analyze the given. We have 7:1 compression ratio, 300 psig discharge pressure. This is the gauge pressure. It's the pressure gauge reading. The unknown is the suction pressure. This is a gauge pressure, the reading on our pressure gauges. So solution, we have the formula for compression ratio. CR is equal to PD, discharge pressure absolute, divided by suction pressure absolute, PS abs. So we rearrange the equation. We have the formula for suction pressure absolute is equal to pressure discharge absolute divided by compression ratio. So this is the definition of our equation symbols. CR compression ratio, PD abs absolute discharge pressure, PS abs absolute suction pressure. Now the absolute pressure is equal to the gauge pressure. This is the gauge reading on our pressure gauges, plus 14.7, 14.7 being the pressure of the atmosphere in pounds per square inch. So now we use the equation to get the discharge pressure absolute. We have our given 300 psig plus 14.7 is equal to 314.7 psia. Now take note of the psia, that is now absolute pressure, because we now have added the barometric pressure or atmospheric pressure. Substituting the values, we get suction pressure absolute is equal to 314.7 divided by 7. 7 is the compression ratio. We have suction pressure absolute is equal to 45 psia. Now, because we are required to find the pressure gauge, the suction pressure in gauge reading, we need to subtract 14.7 from 45. So now we have the suction pressure in pressure gauge pressure is 30.3 psig. Checking compression ratio, we just divide the two absolute pressures, discharge pressure divided by suction pressure. Both pressures are absolute. So we have compression ratio 314.7 divided by 45, we get 7. Okay, I hope you learned something from this topic, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, and have a good one.